Hello and welcome to Zimion's Retro Tech. I welcome you today. We're going to be fixing a controller up for my friend Daniel. Really quick and simple. So this is what I did yesterday. Like this. Pretty much we're going to do a cleanup, and the fan ain't working that right, so we're just going to take a look if there's any loose wires. And pretty much I know the analog needs a little straightening up in here, and to see if the components are damaged of any sort. And this is going to go back together because I really don't have the components for this controller. So it's a quick look-see and just a little refitting. And that's pretty much what I did in this video here, and I appreciate everybody coming to see this. And I'm just pretty much not getting too technical. It's just fixing the controller, cleaning it up, and it looks like someone glued this before, and also it looked like it dropped before. So I re-putted it back together, and that's pretty much this very short video. But anyways, that wraps it up. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up.